Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video I will be sharing with you another recipe for hair growth. This amazing hair growth recipe will boost your hair, make your hair thicker. If your hair is thin and you are looking for something that can make your hair thick, something you can hook up at home that will not cost you money, this is another recipe for you to try out. From rosemary to the ginger to onion, this is amazing recipe for you to grow out, and you can find all this in your kitchen. Because if your hair is growing out but it is breaking at the same rate at which is growing, definitely it will be as if you are not growing your hair. It will be as if your hair is stuck on the same length. With this spray, your hair will be healthy because this spray will ensure that it creates an enable environment for your hair to thrive. So together with your length technique, your hair will be unstoppable. Let's get to the importance of each herbs we use in this spray. Number one is rosemary. Rosemary has been used for centuries. A whole lot of people, millions of people have used it, and they have testified that rosemary is probably one of the fastest herbs you can use to grow out your hair. These herbs will help you grow out your hair so fast. The number one benefit of rosemary in hair is that it has the ability to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which is what your scalp actually needs for your hair to grow out fast. It has antifungal property that can help deal with flaky, dandruff, any scalp issue. Another benefit of rosemary is that it has the ability to strengthen your hair. If you are dealing with breakage, if your hair is breaking a lot, try use rosemary as a leave-in spray and it will reduce breakage. Our second ingredient is onions. Onions is super for hair growth. It contains sulfur, which is the essential for the production of keratin, which is what our hair needs to grow. Onion contain anti-inflammatory property that can help reduce inflammation on the scalp, promoting a healthy hair. Onions will instantly promote blood circulation to the scalp. The third ingredient is ginger, fresh ginger, but you can remove it if you want, but I want something that will balance the smell of the onions. That is why I just add ginger. So for the process, I add in 1 tablespoon of rosemary into a bowl, then chop up the onions and ginger together, then place it on a stove with 1 cup of water. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes, then transfer it to this glass jar so it can continue to infuse, and I don't use it immediately, so I let it to infuse in this jar for like 3 hours before using it. Then this is after 3 hours. I strain it with this strainer. If you do not want to boil the rosemary directly, so you can add in hot water to it, then cover it for a day or 2 days for it to infuse, for the onions and ginger to infuse properly. So but I want to use it that very day. I had to boil it. So after straining it out, then I transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. This spray is very potent. If you can be consistent with just this, your hair will definitely going to grow. It's a guarantee. It's something I have used some months ago, and I can guarantee you that this will work. Alright, this isn't just some experiment that haven't been proved when I have used this, and this is just me testifying to you guys that if you can be consistent with this, you are definitely going to see the growth. It is 100% sure. Like I said before, I'm going to use this as a leave-in spray. I'm going to spray it on my hair and I'm going to leave it. I will not be washing it out. You can decide to use it as a wash out spray. You use it and then you wash it out. You can also use it as your final risk. For maximum results, use this spray 3 times a week. and you can store it into your refrigerator for at least 5 days before you discard it. And make another one, it is not advisable to leave it in your refrigerator for so long, if not it will go bad. If your hair is so thin and you are looking for something to thicken up your hair, start using this. Just make it and use it for 2 months or 3 months. You are going to definitely see the results, like your hair is going to be thick. This is something I've been using for 3 months and definitely I see the results. Like my hair have been growing and fuller, even my edges, everything has been growing. So I've seen the results. So this is what I've been using, and make sure you use it for 2-3 months to see the results, not just a week or a month and come back and tell me. Some people will use it for a week, 2 weeks, and start saying it did work. So please make sure you be consistently about it. That is the reason why I said you should use it for 3 months for you to see the results. Make it, then after 5 days discard it and remake it again. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoy this kind of content, you want to see more from me, please consider subscribing to the channel, like and comment. Please do not hesitate to ask your question if you have any, and I will always come through for you guys. If there's any kind of video you want me to do related to my niche, please do not hesitate to ask from me and I will work towards it. If you are going to try out this recipe, please comment, I will try it, and afterward please come back and let me know if it works for you, so others can use that as a sort of encouragement to also try it out. Before you leave, please do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.